Okay, there's the old stock shit that was on it. I think this is a whopping half hour after I made the first video, so it was pretty easy install really. There's the muffler. I'm going to start with a muffler. If I don't like it, I'll probably end up taking it off and putting the straight pipe in. The assistant at Auto Anything was trying to tell me that the stupid filter needs a little bit of back pressure, so I'll give it a try. We'll see what happens. There's that sexy dip. Pretty good clearance everywhere. Gotta love the big chrome tip though. Okay, start this bad boy up, see what it sounds like. Sounds a little healthier. It's got a little deeper tone. It's probably pretty hard to pick up on the video, but me likes. So if I decide to drop that muffler out of there at any time, I'll make another video. But that's what it is.